Good morning, students. As you know, our topic is mensuration, and we are doing exercise 11.1. Question number 1 to 4 of exercise 11.1 is already completed. Now we will start from fifth question. Your fifth question is a rectangular piece of land measures 0.7 kilometer by 0.5 kilometer. Each side is to be fenced with 4 rows of wire. Now find what is the length of wire required. एक rectangle shape में आपके पास land का piece है. Then you want to fence within 4 rounds. Now find the length of wire needed. To find this, students, first we will find the parameter of rectangle. Length is 0.7 kilometer and width is 0.5 kilometer. Now we'll find the parameter. Parameter of rectangle is 2 multiply length plus width. 2 multiply 0.7 plus 0.5. Now 0.7 plus 0.5, we have 7 plus 5, 12, 1.2. Now multiply by 2, we get 2.4. Now, a length of wire required, length of wire to fence in 4 rounds, 4 rows, that is 2.4 multiplied by 4. Now multiply 4, 4 are 16, 0.4 to 8, 9. Now your answer is 9.6 meter. Okay? Clear, students? First, we'll find the parameter of this rectangle, then multiply by 4. Now, sixth question is, find the parameter of regular hexagon with each side measures 7.5 meter. Find the parameter of regular hexagon. In a hexagon, we have 6 sides, and this is a regular hexagon. It means 6 sides are equal in length. So parameter of regular hexagon is 6 multiply side. Each side of hexagon is 7.5 meter. So sixth question. Now parameter of a regular hexagon multiply by 6. Now multiply 6 5 are 30, 3 6 7 are 42 plus 5 45. So parameter of regular hexagon is 45 meter. So students, this is question number 5th and 6th. Next is 7th question. Now question number 7th. The length of two sides of a triangle are 12 meter and 14 meter. And the parameter of this rectangle is 36. Find the length of third side. Now in 7th question, the length of two sides of a triangle are 12 centimeter and 14 centimeter. And its parameter is 36 centimeter. Now find the length of third side. So first let's suppose let third side is x. Now length of two sides, length of two sides, that is 12 centimeter and 14 centimeter, and parameter is 36 centimeter. Students, in a triangle, when we find the parameter of rectangle, we will add three sides. So add three sides, first, second, and first, second, third. Now we have 12 plus 14 plus x is equal to 36. Now parameter of triangle is add all three sides. Two sides are 12 and 14 centimeter, and third side will suppose x. Now add 12 plus 14 plus x is equal to 36. Now add 12 and 14, 26 plus x is equal to 36. Now students, we want to know the value of x. आपको x की value चाहिए. Then shift 26 on right side. When we shift 26 on right hand side, we will subtract 26 from 36. 36 minus 26. So third side is 10 centimeter. Third side (10 centimeter). Clear, students? Next is 8th question. Now, in 8th question, the parameter of regular pentagon is 100 centimeter. The parameter of regular pentagon, in pentagon we have 5 sides, and this is a regular pentagon. It means all 5 sides are equal length. The parameter of a regular pentagon is 100 centimeter. Now find how long is its each side. Now we will find the side of regular pentagon. Parameter is 100 centimeter. Each side of pentagon, that is parameter divided by 5. Parameter is 100, divide by 5, we get 20. So each side of this regular pentagon is 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. Next is ninth question. Students, in ninth parts, now according to the statement, your ninth question is piece of string is 30 centimeter long. It will be what will be the length of each side if the string is used to form a square, an equilateral triangle and a regular hexagon. Piece of length matlab it means total length of this wire is 30 centimeter. Length of string is 30 centimeter. Now we'll bend this string in shape of square. Here students know length of string means perimeter of this square is 30 centimeter because total length is 30 centimeter. Now what will be the length of each side if it is used to square? First part is a square. Now find each side of square. Each side of square 30 divide by 4. Parameter divide by 4. Pentagon means parameter divide by 5 and in square parameter divide by 4. Now divide in rough side 30 divide by 4 7 28 205. Now we have 7.5 centimeter. It means each side of this square is 7.5 centimeter. Clear students? Next is second part. An equilateral triangle. Ninth question, second part. An equilateral triangle. Now students, you know in an equilateral triangle, all three sides are equal in length. So each side of an equilateral triangle, each side of an equilateral triangle is parameter 30 divide by 3. We have 10 centimeter. So each side of this each side of an equilateral triangle is 10 centimeter. Next is a regular hexagon. Third part is a regular hexagon. Each side of a regular hexagon, each side a regular hexagon, we have parameter. In regular hexagon we have 6 sides, divide by 6. 6 5 are 30, so 5 centimeter. Each side of regular hexagon is 5 centimeter. Clear, students? Now, next question is question number 10th. Now, question number 10th is find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length 125 meter and width is 115 meter at the rate of rupees 13 per meter. Students, to find this, first we will find the perimeter of this rectangle. Then we will multiply by 13 to find the cost of fencing. Now length of rectangle is 225 meter and breadth 115 meter. Perimeter of rectangle 2 multiply plus breadth 2 multiply 225 plus 150. Now students, add 2 multiply we have 340. Now multiply by 2 we have 680 meter. So parameter is 680 meter. Now find the cost of fencing. Cost of fencing at the rate of rupees 13 per meter. So we will multiply 680 by 13. Now multiply in left side. 680 multiply 13. So cost of fencing is rupees 8,840. So cost of fencing of this rectangular park is 8,840 rupees. Clear, students? Now, question number 11th. Now, 11th question is, Mira went to a rectangular park 140 meter long and 90 meter wide. She took 5 complete rounds on its boundary. Now find what is the distance covered by her. Students, you can see our rectangular park is length is 140 and width is 90 meter. First we will find the parameter of this rectangular park, then multiply by 5 to find the total distance covered by Mira. Length is 140 meter and breadth width is 90 meter. Now parameter of rectangle of rectangle 2 multiply length plus, so 2 multiply 140 plus 90. Now students, 140 plus 90 is 230. 230. Now multiply by 2. You will get 460 meter. So parameter is 460 meter. Now find the distance covered in 5 rounds. Distance covered in 5 rounds. 460, 460 multiplied by 5. 0, 5, 6 are 33, 23. So distance covered in 5 rounds is 2300 meter. Clear, students? Now, last question of this exercise, that is question number 12. Pinky runs 8 times around the rectangular park of length 80 by 55, while Pankaj runs 7 times around a square park of side 75 meter. Now find who covers more distance and by how much. First, we will find distance covered by Pinky. Students, Pinky runs in a rectangular park having length 80 and breadth 55. Find the parameter of this rectangular park. Length is 80 and breadth is 55. Now parameter 2 multiply length plus width, 2 multiply 80 plus 55. Now add 80 plus 55 is 135, and 135 multiplied by 2 is 270 meter. So parameter is 270. Now in 8 rounds, distance covered in 8 rounds, 270 multiplied by 8 distance covered in 8 rounds is 2160 meter. Now students, in other side, find the distance covered by Pankaj. Students, Pankaj runs in square park having each side of square is 75 meter. Now find parameter of square. 75 multiplied by 4, that is 300 meter. Now distance covered in 4 rounds. Distance covered in 7 rounds. 300 multiplied by 7, that is 2100 meter. So students, distance covered by Pinky is 2160 meter, and distance covered by Pankaj is 2100 meter. So who covers more distance? That is Pinky. Pinky covered more distance. more distance now find how much, that is 2160 minus is equal to 60 meter. Clear, students? So this was the last question of this exercise. Now today your homework is complete exercise 11.1 in your fair notebooks. Thank you. Have a nice day.